Good morning, OG Squad. Okay, first things first. My angles are not angling because of what I wanna show you guys. So, I can't go. Let me see, guys. This is my wardrobe, my side of the wardrobe. Ne, this is the top part. Those are the things that I just threw there when we moved in. And today I want to sort out this area. And then, guys, oh, I wish you could see Ndwendienza up. Okay, let me just remove this phone from the ring light. Because, son, it's not working out. I thought I was going to be pointing at things, but it's fine. Let me do it this way. I hope Usazokanya still. Okay. This is the, I don't know. This is the part that I want to sort out. Upper, I'm good. As they are sorted. There's even more space here, so not worried about that. And then after I'm done upper, okay, no, let me do it this way. I'm going to sort out part and then ndilungise upper, the top part. Lena sendisongile apha ku-right, and then nalapha ndisongile. Even there at the back, guys, zisongiwe. Those are my skirts, and then it's my tops here. It's the jerseys, and then it's the pants up at the bottom. Lighter because let me see, just bring this here. Okay, fine. So it's the pants, the jeans and all. There at the bottom zofaka izihlangu, ne? Kangabi koshoba eziphi. So I'm happy with elicala, from the jerseys to the tops to the jeans. And then ne? Then we're going to sort out there. The right is so good. These are the scarves, by the way, those ones. Sorry. These are the scarves. The blend. So that's why ingati iconic, but yeah. And then let me just push this backwards so that in many space. I just want, yeah. We're still okay, fine. So upper, my goodness, really? Okay, fine. It's fine. But anyway, guys, this is hey. Yeah, so I want to sort out this area as well. Ezinye ndizawuzuzisa apha, ne? So kukhona sneakers, training shoes, sandals, heels. So ndizawubona uba ndizohlukanisa njani. Ndizanibonisa guys xa ndigqibile. So this is what I'm doing namhlanje. I'll show you guys xa ndigqibile. Let me just, I'm not gonna sort it out with you. I'll just show you when I'm done, that's all. This is how nice and neat it looks after lo msebenzi endiwenzileyo. So then the clothes are nicely packed there. And then kukho, these boxes, the pink one, it's my jewelry box. And then the black one, it has my shades, sunglasses. The red one has some items that I need to keep safe. And then I didn't do anything, obviously, apha kwi-hangers, right, Lena. And then for izihlangu, I got this clear container for the sandals. So it's only sandals here on the clear container. And then opha izanzi morning shoes, morning slippers, those pink and colorful. And then I got 2 black containers for my sneakers. So these sneakers zonke, there's nothing. So I'm trying to bring the light in. Okay. Yeah, bonakala, I think in on. Let me see. Yo guys, I have to bring the ring light in. Zip boots easy. I hope. Yeah, bonakala. Zip boots easy, yeah. And then up has his sneakers, and then also izihlangu zegym ndizibeke on this one, like those light blue sneakers and these colorful ones. and that black bag has my cycling shoes. Zihlala phayana because as soon as ndigqibo cyclish spin ndizifaka phayana kula bag, so hlala kula bag. So nicely done. And then if siza apha ezantsi, my heels, zonke ii-heels zam andizukwazi ke guys ukuyikhupha this thing because ndibambe i-ring light ngesinye isandla, ngesinye ndibambe ifowuni, because I can't just what do you call this, andikwazi uveske ndiyibeke, yabo, i-setup yam, it's messed up. So yeah, all my heels are here, high heels. And then obviously you had already seen this. Oh yeah, and then going up phezulu, if you remember this shelf, as a boxes, but now I've put my more like traditional and my makoti outfits. I don't have much of makoti outfits here in Joburg. Most as on Bizana, but the few that I have, like all those scarves, as you can see there, Nalama Jarman Lawayana. So it's just the few that I have, and then the black and white. So yeah, I'm happy. It all looks neat. There's too much, but after the songiwe jonga. So I'm happy. Yeah. Now that the wardrobe is done and nicely packed, I need to come sort out this mess. So I was doing laundry. I just need to go hang it. I was just unsure, should I hang it outside because the weather is gloomy. Okay, akonakale. It's gloomy outside, and ndonqena hanger on the washing line, and then I must move it to this thing. So benekho sure ukubana do I hang it up kulento okanye on the washing line. But anyway, yeah, I need to hang that. Is it toys garlically human easy? I'm just gonna put them back kula toy box yake. He's gonna help me with that one. And then this mat we put it up pants every time he's gonna play, but we fold it if he's not playing the side so that space. But the real part that I want to show you guys is this. Ne? I got that container, the black container that you guys see there, so that ndizofaka some of the items kuyo. I don't think it's a little bit dark, so please pardon me on that one. So yeah, ndifuna ukuzama ukujonga what's in those boxes. So I'm unpacking to repack. It's just for me to know what's in those boxes. And then see ukubana, can't we create more space? But also at the same time, I still need to take some of the dishes from the kitchen cupboard, because most of them we're not using them, especially casserole dishes zonke Amanda uzibeke pha kitchen. But I don't need all of them. Let's say I've got 8. I just need about 4. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm not sure if there's going to be any difference when I'm done, if there's going to be much difference when I'm done. But nzanibonisa when I'm done with it. For now, this is how it looks like. Just want to move. Okay, start from here. Well, as chem chairs, I need to throw them away because the pukil. And then, yabo. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna finish this today. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 days of ends. Would you believe it, guys? I was right. As I was about to hang the laundry outside, it started to rain. So now I'm hanging the laundry inside. The toys have been packed, and yeah, I'm still hanging it. The mat is here. So yeah, I still have some work to do. Let me just hang these clothes. Ish. This one need to slow down, guys. But anyway, yeah. Let me just continue. Good morning, Ocean Squad. It is a Sunday morning. It's just after 10 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken. Ube woke up went to the gym for a 6:15 spinning session. And when he came back home, shucks, this thing. Okay. He came back with this. Sorry guys, it was the side with the price was showing, but I hope you guys didn't see that. I hope they want. Oh, thank you, Tanda. Shebuya bagalele behleli phaya esofeni uzojoke uba ndiyabonakala na. Andiyazi why ndisokola so much man about eggs yazi. Hey, but anyway, he came back home with this cutie. Yo, ndiyakwazi uyikhupha le plastic, but I think yenzela for a month. But so even if they were waterish still. But anyway guys, so yeah, I got a new baby, and then he also brought me some coffee. Let me see if you guys can see. He also brought me some coffee. So yeah, no, for me it's a chilled Sunday. So yeah, today is a chilled day for me. Yeah, let me just have my coffee. Depending on you guys. Hello, Ojo Squad. I just wanted to show you guys the plants, the indoor plants and flowers that I am currently taking care of. As in Nancy. Oh, it's a job and a half. So, okay, I don't know. Let me start with this one. This one, I won this from an Instagram. Oh, you guys can see. I won this from an Instagram competition. Yeah, Instagram giveaway. Yeah. So I won this plant, but let me show you it came in this pot plant, the black pot plant. And for those who've been here for long, you will remember I bought this pot plant. We Homemakers Fair. Hey, I can't remember what it's called, but yeah, I bought it from some homemakers market in Kailami. This is the pot plant. Finally, iyasebenza. And then Ependal. Hey guys, le indala. This one is very old. I got this plant way back in 2018. Yes, I got this plant way back in 2018. But then ndayohlukanisa, like the other one, if you remember from our old house, it was outside in that long, what do you call, pot plant, just in front of the, well, not in front of the door, but yeah, up in front. And then then I kept the small one endlini. Shem iyakula yona, iyazama, iyalwa. But anyway, yeah, so ndayikhupha in this pot plant for up endlini. So ngoku the leaves shem ziyafa. So I just need to give it some tender love and care. Ne? And then I got this one. I got this one. No, also, let me see if I can show you guys. Oh, Ngosiam. Okay, let me do this. Mustn't hurt. I mustn't hurt her. Okay, there we go. I got this one from Ubey. I think in 3 months now, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think this one is 3 months old. And it came in this small pot plant. Then I got this. There's no place like home. I can't remember where I got this pot plant from. Whether it was a gift or anything, I really don't remember. But anyway, so I also, this pot plant, by the way, glass. So I put it in this one. This one is ceramic. So I put it on this. They turned to the price tag. But also, apart from just the price tag, it gives me the name of the plant so that I know how to take care of it. So that's why I always keep the tags, guys. So So this one is doing well, Shemi. She's doing so well. I think she's 3 months old with us. And then let me start up. I just want to move this one. Then these roses, guys. My cousin came over 3 weeks. No. Wait. Last weekend we didn't have a guest. We went. We didn't have a guest. That other weekend, my cousin's sister came. That other one. This one. Okay, yeah. So it's 3 weeks old. I hope in yeah. Yes. So this one is 3 weeks old. These roses. She gave me these roses when she visited. You guys probably have seen them in previous videos or clips because I'm not sure where this one is gonna fit in now. But yeah, so now but I just want to change the water and the vase and then just give them fresh water and clean the vase. Then so first weekend on a Saturday I got this from my cousin's sister who visited us. Then the following weekend my cousin's sister came as well, visited us, and she brought this cutie. So again, you guys, but I know how to take care of Ilendozi Okadiazi, but I just kept this this tag. Like I said, guys, I don't know, I think the obsession of keeping the tags. But yeah, she's still doing good. She is 2 weeks old with us. Oh baby, Orchid. And then last week, during the week, last week, I think it was it a Monday or what, or Sunday? I don't remember the day, you know. Ubey brought me this one. So this one is a week old. Ne? So yeah, we've got it 3 weeks old, we've got it 2 weeks old, we've got it 1 week old. So yeah, and then Nayelo, I had to keep this the tag so that I know when to water her and all of that. So this is what I want to do here today. I want to just give them a bit of attention, love and care, and then depending babu sell in their places. So that's what I'm doing. What a beautiful way to start